Welcome to True Marg. Today we are going to demonstrate automatic volumetric piston filler for filling liquid products. This machine can fill any free-flowing low to medium viscous liquids without particles. This machine can suck product directly from the product source tank. Filling and conveyor speed are variable and can be synced. No bottle no fill sensor is given to avoid product spillage. Pneumatic bottle stopper aligns bottles below filling nozzle and filling nozzle dives in to fill preset volume of product. Mechanically driven dive in nozzle assure no dripping. Liquid filling machine available in multiple nozzle and different filling range up to max 1000 milliliters. True Marg can fully customize this machine as per customer production needs and application. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more such informative product videos.